Xiaomi has officially announced the Redmi 15C 5G will launch in India on December 3rd and confirmed that the phone will go on sale via Amazon. The Redmi 15C 5G is coming to India as an affordable 5G phone. It is a successor to the Redmi 14C. Redmi 15C 5G come in midnight black, mint green, and dust purple. Run on the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 storage. The Redmi 15C 5G is said to sport a 6.9-inch LCD screen with HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, a 50MP rear camera plus auxiliary lens. Another highlight is the 6000 mAh battery with 33W charging. The Redmi 15C 5G could start at 12,499 rupees for the 4GB plus 128GB option, going up to 14,999 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.